Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a recap of all the Rumba Blues we did in June in our Shades of Blues class. So this was all of the classes through June, and some of these things were done multiple times. Rumba Blues is basically the shaping and movements of rumba but done with blues technique, which means you have the freedom to improvise and do things that would be strictly incorrect in rumba, but you get a lot of the feel and get to use that in amongst your blues. So we started with a basic where we went quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And that could be in hold here, or it could have been out in a more open hold where we were just using hands. Once you were in a hold where you were just using hands, it was much easier to then do the crossovers, which went quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And then the reverse crossovers, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We also did turns, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. We also did combs, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And spot turns, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Once we'd done that, we did the box. So another basic pattern where we went slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And then we joined the box and the basic together so we could transition between the two. So we went slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Then we also did the box as a rotating box, left rotating box. So we went slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And then from the box we also did a slow turn. So we went slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And into open circular walks, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, which had the advantage of joining the box back into a basic. The other things we talked about were using different holds. So for instance, we could use a sway or shadow hold, and that would work perfectly well for most of it. So we could go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, or switch into a less formal hold in close. So much more traditional kind of blues feeling. So you could get quick, quick, slow, and everything would be much smaller. We also talked about walking, so that you could be in a situation where you were doing something like quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So you could take the rhythm and push it through all kinds of walking improvisations. And finally, we talked about musicality, where we would do things like hit a break in the music and then have to re-establish the rhythm afterwards. So effectively, you could break the rhythm and then fix it again. So you weren't stuck with the rhythm the entire time. And that was everything. So hopefully that will help you remember everything you did in the classes. Or if you weren't in the classes, it might inspire you to come along to our Thursday Shades of Blues class and try a different dance out, because every month we're doing a different dance. And all you have to do is check the website to find out what dance is current. That's it. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft.